Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into our mechanics kit. In this kit, we have various blocks, screws, axle beams, and many gears and wheels as well, with over 435 components and 110 unique pieces. It's a high-quality kit, perfect for learning mechanics and robotics. So today we are going to build a rubber band car. This is all about mechanics. You just need a rubber band and gears to make it work. It is honestly the best way for students to learn the fundamentals of mechanical engineering. To make this, let's open our Plod web app. We select our mechanics guide and choose our project. Now check out this 360-degree view. Even if you can't see a part clearly from one side, you can just rotate it according to your own choice. And when we hit next, you can see exactly how it gives a clear view of the components for that specific step. This smart graphical tutorial makes sure you know exactly how to place every piece. Let's start the build. We will start by taking two beams and then the axle connectors. Let's speed up the process. Now, you see a 40-tooth gear with an axle joining in, and then we add more gears for moving the whole car. This is exactly how we move a car, by applying mechanics and gear ratios to transfer power effectively. Now that the base is set, we need the upper body and the wheels. You can see we've started attaching the upper body using angled blocks and heavy beams on top to give it a real car look. After completing the upper and lower parts, I've connected the wheels as well. And now, our rubber band car is finished and ready to roll. Now let's see it work. To make this roll, we need to pull the rubber back and leave it. As you see, every gear inside now moves because of the force generated. What a cool way to understand mechanics. Let's see how it rolls. It's working perfectly. Look at that smooth gear movement. This is such an amazing tool for students. It takes the theory of physics and turns it into something you can actually touch and build, helping you understand how machines work in the real world. Identify a real-life application of this project in your environment and tell us in the comments. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our mechanics and robotics courses at MakersPlace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.